going to? I'm starting a new video. So you guys welcome back to the channel. Obviously. But we're going to get stuff from City, and also I'm gonna get started base, and I'm also gonna get food stuff for the video I'm gonna make it today, which is like cooking with me. So I'm gonna start a cooking diaries for the summer. And the first video is making Jollof, obviously. So I'm gonna make Jollof, I'm gonna get ingredients, so I'll get some video. She's gonna help me cook, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. I'm eating like starch and here. Like this. I mean, it's worth it because in the end, I'll need them more. I'll use them more specific. This is 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Why is this 8 minutes? And this is 15. I'll just do it. So I'm gonna try Sackey for the first time. Should be good. No. You don't like it? No. It tastes like... No. Why do people like it? No. Oh my god. So, it's not good. But we're gonna keep doing it. I have to buy the ingredients for the jollof now. So we got the stuff, everything's in here. The rest of the stuff is at my friend. She has them already, so we're gonna use that. But yeah, I'm waiting. We're gonna go soon, and then we're gonna get the. We're gonna start cooking. So, yep. I'm so excited, but I'm also really tired. So I think I'm gonna go to my room. My forehead is shining bright like the diamond. I'm gonna change my shoes because of my sneakers, and I'm like, no, I'm gonna wear my Crocs, and I also have to take my tripod so I can get you guys the angles, you know the angles. I'm so excited to cook. I'm more excited about the jollof than the cooking. But I mean, no, I'm not scared. I'm excited to eat it. I hope it tastes good because it's like your first time, and I want it to be like, oh, okay, jollof is good, you know. But yeah, I was about to say something. What? No, please don't have expectations. Like the standard should be low. Yeah, I'm also gonna get a tripod, so yeah. I'm a true African, but like I think I cooked jollof once in my life. So yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll see you guys later. So this video is not gonna be a tutorial. It's like cooking vlog, like that's it. So we're supposed to dice the onion. I was gonna do 4 onions, but I don't know. I feel like it's a lot. But the food might be the food might be a lot, so yeah, that's it.
Yeah, stew is easy.
Yeah. So we're gonna start with the curry. Is it okay? I mean, we can taste that at the end. I think I should put it in. Yeah, this is fun. Oh my god. Do it!
Start to.
Wait, did you cut the whole thing? Who told me you cut the whole game?
I did.
You didn't say don't cut the whole.
I said half. I told you literally
What
half.
to do with the half?
Half of each. It doesn't matter. We'll do something.
You intend before the thing.
It's already boiling.
Yeah.
Right? See, the thing is too thick. Like, there's no water.
You're going to add water to it anyways when you put the rice.
Then cut it.
That's the part I hated about stew.
Yeah.
Don't eat salt.
Wait, I feel like there's something. This.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll put it like semi at the end. Yeah. Okay, done.
That's how the rice.
Yeah.
You put that, okay?
Yeah. More of this. Oh. Good. Wait.
You should have done the same thing as with cooking. Yeah.
What?
No way! It's so good. But I feel like it's salty. Can you taste it? I feel like it's salty.
Probably because you put all of.
Should we like lighting it.
Tomato and make it properly.
No, it's not cooked. Like the oil is not even at the top.
Yeah, but like it should have properly cooked. It should like fry before. I mean,
The spices?
yeah, but it's fine. You can always yeah, because I feel like the tomato is overpowering it.
Really? I feel like it's salt.
I don't even taste the salt.
I don't taste salt.
Yeah, it needs more crispy. Hearing white. Even this stuff is really good.
That's the one thing. Oh, there's one here. You know this one? So,
Look at live, but what's the point in exciting?
oh, like this still filming.
So I don't think we need to unwatch it.
Yeah, this is a lot of stew and no rice. We got more rice. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're gonna get salad to add on top because we don't want to buy like ingredients for salad. We're gonna get some of this already and that stuff. And yeah, it's gonna be great. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah.
Guys, look at the yum chicken.
I know. The view. Isn't the door is
I'll show you guys later. I just want to taste it first, but like, it's not what we expected. It's very soft.
It's really bad.
It's very like very.
It tastes well, but
Okay. Just like teenagers made it. Like, yeah. It's not bad. Like, okay, it's not. Maybe the parts I got, but everything tastes
it's
good.
nice.
Yeah. Okay, I've been better for sure. Next time, no pepper in it. Also, but it's not spicy. But we have pepper. And then we have to understand the rice before pouring water in it. Yeah, but it's good. Whatever's first, yeah. First, Jollof.
I feel sorry that it's beautiful.
For real, like this is not.
after making the tasty jollof, she's cleaning.
Yeah, I'm not gonna know who made it. Very nice with one Jollof. And now we some. Yeah. Next time, 2 cups of water. Maybe we can use 2 cups of water. I think we use like 5.
The jollof is looking.
It's good, but
It doesn't look like jollof. This is needs so jollof. Okay.
it's Jollof. It looks like Asian.
What is ASEAN?
Like, yeah.